Look up. You're going to call that a ceiling, a dome, something over you. It is none of those things. It can't hold weight. It can't stop anything from reaching you. It isn't a surface at all. It's a glow. And the glow is hiding what's actually above your head. This is Vectors of the Void. Before we begin, one promise. Nothing in this dispatch is speculative. No hidden dimensions, no unknown forces, no agency of any kind. Every number you're about to hear is measured, published, and uncontested. The dread isn't in the facts. It's in the gap between the facts and the model your body runs by default. We are not here to correct the universe. The universe is not in error. We're here to correct the observer. And the observer's mistake is not that the senses lie. They're accurate, inside their range. The mistake is treating a local reading as a description of everything. There are 7 of these mistakes. 6 of them are out there. The 7th is you. 1. The infinite vector. You read the daytime sky as a roof. It isn't. It's the combined glow of countless scattering events spread through a transparent medium. Wait for night, and that same medium goes clear. Your line of sight runs out, unobstructed, across billions of light years. Nothing about the air changed between noon and midnight. Only the lighting changed. The thing you called a ceiling can't bear load, can't resist anything, can't mark off a safe zone. There is no enclosure. There's an open vector, and a glow that hides it while the sun is up. 2. The atmospheric veil. You picture the edge of the atmosphere as a wall, a place where air stops and space begins. There's no such place, no phase change, no membrane, no edge to breach. The breathable layer, measured against the planet, is thinner than the skin on an apple. The line we draw to mark space is paperwork, a number agreed on for jurisdiction, not a structure you could touch. The atmosphere doesn't protect you, it delays, and the delay is finite. 3. The myth of orientation. Down feels like a fact about the world. It isn't a direction in space, it's a computation. Your inner ear reading a sustained acceleration field and reporting a result. Take the field away, and the brain reassigns down to wherever it likes, or it gives up and can't resolve it at all. The settled, right-side-up feeling you carry everywhere is the output of a device that needs a planet to run. 4. The habitability exception. You treat your survivable range as the normal state of things. Pressure, oxygen, temperature, radiation. In every one, the human requirement is a narrow band, and the cosmic baseline sits far outside it. The baseline condition of the universe is incompatibility. It isn't hostile. Hostility would require it to notice you. It's thermodynamically indifferent. It doesn't accommodate. It excludes. 5. Temporal parallax. Every time you see anything, you're receiving a signal that left its source in the past. So when you ask what a distant object is doing right now, you've asked a question with no available answer. Not because it's hidden, because the geometry of space-time refuses to deliver it. The night sky isn't a scene. It's an archive. You're reading a ledger that's still being written, whose latest entries can never reach you. 6. Accelerated isolation. The observable universe is shrinking. As expansion accelerates, everything not gravitationally bound to us drifts outward past the cosmological horizon, and its light stretches toward undetectable. A civilization born late enough, reasoning perfectly from everything it could possibly observe, would conclude its small cluster of galaxies was the entire universe. And from inside their light cone, they could never prove themselves wrong. What can be known is not fixed. It's being subtracted continuously by the shape of the universe itself. The first 6 moved boundaries you thought were solid and found them local, temporary, or gone. The last one moves the boundary inward. You treat your body as a sealed self, a container with an inside and an outside. It isn't a container. It's a pressure-dependent process, held together against the surrounding medium by a difference of about 1 atmosphere. Remove that difference and the boundary fails from the inside. The separation between you and the vacuum was never a wall. It was a pressure. And pressure is a condition, not a structure. The void isn't only outside the habitat. The same gradient that thins into vacuum above you is the gradient holding you together. None of these are anomalies. They're systematic. Each one is your body taking a rule that works here and applying it where the rules are different. And it fails, because out there the parameters don't match. No supernatural mechanism was invoked, no unknown was required. Every figure is measured, published, uncontested. All this dispatch did was set them in order. The order is the whole argument. The most frightening thing is not the unknown, it is the known, stated clearly. The universe doesn't need to hide anything from you. The disclosed facts are enough. There is no mitigation. The condition is not actionable at human scale. The complete white paper, methodology, numerical findings, factual anchors, every exhibit, is linked below.